Have you ever wondered why your marketing isn't hitting the mark? Well, today we'll break down the top 5 reasons why your marketing is failing. I'm Nick Gray, and today we'll be exploring the top 5 reasons your marketing is failing and why. So marketing is a key component to your business to turn potential prospects into loyal customers. So no matter what your industry you're in, your effective marketing is vital to growing your business, whether it's through traditional methods such as direct mail and cold calling, or digital marketing through Google Ads and social media. However, marketing can effectively be a struggle for most businesses. So here are the top 5 reasons why your marketing isn't working. So the first reason is having an undefined target audience. So how clear are you on your target market? So you can have more than one target market. You need to be clear. The clearer you are, the easier it is to find them. So a good place to start is to look at your existing clients and grade them. So your A-grade clients are who pay you well and use little of your time, and they're the ones that you're looking for. So what similarities can you find with those clients to create an avatar to find more of them in a target market? And there could be multiple different targets for different products or services that you sell. Reason number 2 is ineffective messaging. So what's the pain point that your target market is suffering from? So your messaging needs to address these pain points and to help solve. Third reason is being inconsistent or not having a solid strategy. So make a simple plan of who you're targeting, what you're saying, where you're saying it, and how often you're saying it. Simple plan to lay out the future for the coming year. Reason number 4 is creating poor quality content. So Marcus Sheridan, author of They Ask You Answer, is a book about how you answer the questions that your prospects are asking you. Like, how much does it cost? Also think, what are the potential objections that you might get from clients, and how you can use that in your marketing content as well. And finally, reason number 5, not adapting to changes in the marketplace. So are you and your team talking to your customers and identifying their changing needs? Figuring out where to start with improving your marketing can be tricky, especially if you don't have a marketing expert in your business. So these are the top 3 actions we suggest that business owners to improve their marketing and start bringing better prospects or prospective customers. The first one is know your audience inside out. The second action is creating consistent and valuable content. And the third action is to continuously analyze the content and adapt to what is working. So if you'd like to learn the secrets to business success, then click here to watch our video on creating a powerful USP or unique selling point. If you'd like more resources, click in the link in our description to visit our Learning Center with 3 articles on how to level up your business. And remember, being in business should give you more life. See you in the next video.